Often, in the most difficult moments, opportunities arise. Conditions for a new beginning present themselves. We are suddenly ready to develop new ideas, to explore unknown territories. And that's why we've decided to continue investing in research and development by designing and testing new products. Through this R&D, the new RP320 wheels were born. These are dedicated of a superior glass arris. Also, the new X510 cerium oxide wheel, which differs from all other cerium wheels on the market and positions itself in a higher level of quality. The X510, suitable for use on flat, arris, or CNC, combines in a single tool the characteristics of a rigid-type cerium polishing wheel with the adaptability to the working surface typical of a soft polishing wheel. The RP320, thanks to its special polymer, is able to work the arris more evenly, adapting perfectly to the glass and ensuring maximum precision and the absence of chipping. The X510 and the RP320 are important innovations that offer to the fabricator the maximum benefit toward the total cost of ownership.